Welcome to MFP Seals. MFP Seals is a leading manufacturer and global supplier of injection molded and CNC machined, thermoplastic, elastomeric and composite products. Offering in-house engineering, manufacturing, and testing, MFP Seals maintains quality control throughout the design and production process. With an extensive portfolio of hydraulic and pneumatic sealing devices, machined plastic products, custom gaskets, roll or sheet materials, and specially developed compounds, we are the perfect source for your design and manufacturing needs. MFP Seals. We're more than just seals. Our business is reliant on the cutting edge of CNC machining and lathe operations, maintaining a machining group that covers the gamut of manual to modern technology, giving us both old and new school machining proficiencies. With the ability to turn up to 1000 millimeters, or 40 inches in diameter, we can handle your larger project requirements. And, if your design requires live tooling or multi-axis travel, we're ready to take on your most complex projects. Our in-house inventory of stock rods, tubes and billets, in a multitude of sizes and materials, ensures that we can get your project turning quickly, and delivered to you on time. If injection molding is what you're looking for, MFP Seals keeps the pressure on, producing outstanding molded products on presses up to 500 ton. Keeping our tooling, design, and production in-house guarantees that quality control is maintained throughout the manufacturing process. From simple to complex die construction, multiple cavities, custom shapes, elastomer to metal bonding, and low to high volume, our injection molding division has the experience to handle your request. Some of the compounds that we injection mold are ether, ester, MDI, DODI, PPDI, and NDI polyurethanes, also hydryl, acetal, nylon, PEEK, and polypropylene, with HNBR and FKM, also available for injection, compression, and transfer molding. If you find that certain materials don't measure up to your needs, talk with us. MFP Seals can work with you to specially blend compounds that exceed specific requirements, making your product outperform and overachieve. MFP Seals designs and manufactures a line of hydraulic and pneumatic seals. Many of our designs have been modified and updated from industry standard profiles, based on our own internal testing, and through feedback from customers in the field. We have made these modifications to increase our seal's performance in its intended application. We have also modified and adapted our compounds to exceed the demands of harsh environments, high temperatures and excessive duty cycles. So the next time you perform maintenance, or design a new cylinder, and want to improve performance, talk with us. We have the seals you need. Your cylinder. MFP Seals. MFP Seals World Headquarters, located in Madison Heights, Michigan, is home to our corporate and engineering offices, research and development center, and our manufacturing facilities, occupying nearly 40,000 square feet. Nearby, in Troy, Michigan, our custom kitting and shipping facility utilizes over 30,000 square feet of warehouse and sales offices. Complementing the corporate headquarters, MFP Seals has 6 branches, in the United States, located in Troy, Michigan, St. Joseph, Michigan, Houston, Texas, Phoenix, Arizona, Tampa, Florida, and Franklin, Ohio. With overseas locations in Lincoln, England, and Taipei, Taiwan. Worldwide service and support. Through an exclusive network, MFP Seals extends its global reach with key authorized distributorships in Australia, Canada, China, Indonesia, and New Zealand. Also playing a vital role in MFP Seals' global presence are distributorships located in Central and South America, Dubai, UAE, Greece, Israel, Mexico, Malaysia, the Middle East, South Africa, Southeast Asia, and Western Europe. MFP Seals works closely with its distributors and customers in the field, studying feedback to improve product performance. Throughout the product's lifespan, from initial design to delivery, we maintain a chain of evidence to ensure traceability and accountability of both the products and the materials used to produce them. At MFP Seals, we stand behind our products. Our knowledgeable and experienced staff can troubleshoot problems, should any arise. We can help diagnose problems and recommend solutions through replacement, modification, redesign, or alternate material selection. Our goal is to improve the performance and longevity of your equipment. With each evolution of a product's design, or modification to materials, We put forth what we feel is the best product on the market today, while maintaining a worldwide presence and respect for the different cultures around the globe. MFP Seals retains its American heritage, taking pride in being American-owned and operated for over 45 years. Inheriting the legacy of Martin Fluid Power, MFP Seals is continuously developing products which are engineered, tested, and manufactured solely in the USA. By utilizing local sourcing of materials, whenever possible, and in-house design and manufacturing capabilities, we are able to reduce costs, avoid tariffs, maintain strict quality standards, and greatly reduce lead times. From start to finish, our goal at MFP Seals is sealing in success, the successful performance of our products, and the success of the businesses worldwide that depend on our products every day. ISO 9001 certified.